Hey guys, welcome to AutoCraze. Today we've got Tioni and Mandy. We're down here at the HQ. She came in to me about a week ago, yeah?
Yeah.
About a week ago. Anyway, man, she's come down. She's dropped off her Wrangler. Done a few bits and pieces to this Wrangler. I've murdered it all out because the car's black. I've done the side steps black, the handle's black, the hinges black, and the lift kit's done with a Tough Dog 2-inch lift, wheels and tires. I've done some KMC Strike wheels, wrapped with the latest and the greatest thing out of Nitto, the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. This is Tioni. She's trusted us. She's the owner of the car. She's dropped it off.
We're in good hands. Bo's doing the best in the business.
Now we're going to show you the reaction. We're going to show Tioni. She's stoked. She's never seen the car before. I'm happy. I think it looks balling. And it's tough as. What do you reckon? What do you reckon?
Oh my god!
Who that badass, man? Who that badass? Check it out.
Holy
Oh! You can swear. It's alright. You can say what you want, man. This is our channel, man. It's all done, yeah?
Oh my god, you did the logo.
Yeah. Even the little logo, that's blacked out. The grille's blacked out. The lights are blacked out. The bar's blacked out. Jason, get here, man. Jason. Huh? Oh, okay. That's Jason and where's the camera guy, man? That's Jason and Ben. They're the real magicians, man. I just upsell, man. They do the rest of the work. Tony.
Yeah.
Right, man. The camera's here, man. The camera's here. Don't worry about your car. You're gonna see your car later. Everything's done. Look, even the pistol cap cover done for you. Light cover done for you. Big ass wheels and tires.
Too good, too good.
Rip it, huh? Rip it. Any car, man. Tell him any car, Tony.
Literally any car, bro.
Any car, bro. We'll do it, man. I love this, man. How do you feel?
Great. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Give me the keys, man. Thank you very much, Tioni.
Thank you.
This has been AutoCraze. I will see you when I see you.
Yep.